Picture this: a chilly winter evening, snow gently falling outside, and you're snuggled up indoors with a bowl of piping hot soup. I distinctly remember one frosty winter, the warmth and comfort that a bowl of my mum's homemade soup brought me. The aroma, the taste, the warmth, it was like a hug in a bowl. It thawed the winter chill, filling me with a sense of contentment that only a hearty, well-cooked meal can provide. Now, wouldn't you want to recreate that comforting experience? Well, you're in luck. First on the list, a timeless favorite, is the classic chicken soup. A comforting blend of familiar flavors, this soup is as nourishing as it is delicious. To start, gather your ingredients: chicken, celery, carrots, onions, garlic, and your favorite herbs. The recipe begins with browning the chicken, a step that imparts a depth of flavor to the soup. Next, we add the vegetables, the celery, carrots, and onions, and let them soften, allowing their flavors to meld with the chicken. A clove or two of garlic adds a warmth that permeates the soup, while the herbs lend a delightful aroma. Now here's the secret to a truly comforting chicken soup: let it simmer for a good few hours. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to develop fully, resulting in a soup that's robust and satisfying. There you have it, a bowl of classic chicken soup, the perfect companion for a cold winter's evening. Next up, a creamy delight, the pumpkin soup. Now this isn't just any soup, it's a symphony of flavor, warmth, and comfort. Let's dive in. We begin with the star of the show, the pumpkin, followed by onions and garlic, the dynamic duo that adds depth and flavor. These ingredients are sautéed gently until they release their aroma, teasing your senses and setting the stage for what's to come. Next, we pour in the vegetable broth, the liquid gold that brings everything together. As the broth simmers, the flavors meld and the ingredients soften, creating a harmonious medley. Now for the magic moment. We blend everything until it's smooth, transforming the chunky mixture into a silken soup. With the addition of cream, the soup becomes richer, its texture velvety and luxurious. Finally, a dollop of cream on top, like a fluffy cloud on a golden sunset. And voila, creamy pumpkin soup, a bowl of warm, velvety goodness. Last but not least, the hearty beef and barley soup. A soup so robust it's practically a meal in itself. To start, we'll need some succulent beef, tender barley, a medley of vegetables, and a rich beef broth. The magic happens as these ingredients simmer together, the barley tenderizing and the flavors melding into a hearty, satisfying soup. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, a perfect companion to stave off the winter chill. And there you have it, hearty beef and barley soup, a fulfilling meal on its own. So there you have it, 3 warm and delicious soup recipes to keep you cozy this winter. We've journeyed through the hearty flavors of classic chicken soup, savored the velvety goodness of creamy pumpkin soup, and relished the robust taste of beef and barley soup. These soups are perfect with a side of crusty bread or a refreshing green salad. Remember, nothing beats the chill like a bowl of warm soup. So go ahead, give these recipes a try, and enjoy the warmth and comfort they bring.